Hey there, and welcome to Tasty Napoli. Today, we're making a delicious Sgroppino. Sgroppino is a Venetian cocktail that dates back all the way to the 16th century. And for me, I think it's incredible that a drink that started hundreds of years ago is still something that we enjoy today. It comes together really quickly, so let's get started with some lemon sorbet. We're going to need about 2 generous scoops that we're going to place into a bowl. And to that, we're going to add 1 ounce of vodka. And then we are going to whisk all of that together. What you're going to want to do is break the sorbet up with the back of your spoon and then just mix it together with the vodka so it turns into kind of a frothy mixture. Now, personally, I like when there are still a little bit of pieces of the sorbet. I think it's really nice when it gets into the glass. So we're gonna just divide that into each of our 2 coupe glasses. Then we're gonna take some chilled Prosecco and float that right over the top. Then at the end, you can kind of garnish it however you like. I really like the way that lemon and thyme go together, so I usually like to just add just a little baby sprig of thyme right over the top. And voila, a Sgroppino. Now there are enough for 2, so there's 1 ready for my cameraman as well, but I'm excited to give this a taste. This is super refreshing. It's lemony, it's cold, it's chilled, and it is honestly the perfect cocktail for summer. As you can see, this was super easy to make. It was 3 ingredients, took no time at all. And this is something that you can make for your guests, and it's something that I think will feel really special for them. Now, I am excited to go take this, bring this one out on the patio to my husband, and enjoy the rest of my day. Until next time, alla prossima.